Nobody can deny that skincare is an essential component of any beauty routine. After all, your face is the first thing people see when they look at you. We use cleansers, toners, moisturizers, and all the serums we can get our hands on to achieve that youthful glow we all crave. And yet, how many of us are focusing on improving the appearance of our skin from the inside? Yes. Vitamin deficiency will manifest themselves on your skin in the form of a dull complexion, wrinkles, and acne. Today, I am going to share with you how simply add some vitamins and supplements into your diet to give you a healthier and more youthful glow. So let's start it.